Hi. Okay, the doorbell just rang. I want to go through this quickly. What I got on an ULTA sale. I got this ULTA bunch that gave me the free bag. I also got a mystery gift, which we'll go through together. So just quickly, this was $20. I got it with a 20% off coupon. I ended up paying $16. It came with these two cute headbands. It came with these two blushes, these eyeshadows, a lip gloss, a mini bronzer, and this cute bag. Then I picked up the Becca Glowy and Malika, which is the darker one, because I tested it actually in the store and then I ended up buying it online because of all the extra gifts you got by buying online. I took the darker one because when I put it on my hands in the store, the Chloe one looked like a bunch of highlighters and only one good bronzer, so I figured I'd get more use out of this. And this was on sale from $44, I think, to $26. Then I got here the Urban Decay, which went on sale for $29. This was an absolute steal. And then because I bought the $20 ULTA, they gave you a free beach tote, which is really very well made. It's a canvas, and it came with a large matte bronzer. All the bronzers had no names, and a lip plumper lip gloss. Now I just want to go through the mystery bag that we got if you spent $60. I got all of this, I think, for $70, and I had points, so it literally was pretty much free. Okay, quickly here, we got Living Proof Color Shampoo and Conditioner. Everything seems to be 1 ounce. I got the Too Faced Melt Off Mascara. This is you use if you have waterproof mascara. This helps get it off. I got a mini travel size of the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Setting Spray. I got the Mario Badescu Enzyme Cleansing Gel. I use this, it's fantastic. I got this face cleanser from First Aid. I've also used this product, it's also a good one. 3 more items in here. Whoops. I got, which I gotta look this up, it's Beauty Bakery. It says it's a baking oil for the face. I've never heard of this, it's a sample size. I'm gonna look that up and see what it's all about. Then I got a perfume from DKNY called Nectar Love. And the last item in here was Madison Reed. It's supposedly a color protecting conditioner. I'm excited to try this product. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I hope I don't love it because I think it's expensive. Otherwise, that's it. It was an exciting box to receive, and thanks for checking in. Speak to you soon.